One step at a time, I find my way through valleys of flowers, fresh mountain showers. With magical powers, I find my way. One step at a time, I walk my path in trust and surrender, through sunshine and thunder. With eyes full of wonder, I walk my path. One step at a time, I find my way. One step at a time, I find my way.
So this is my last day in Dharamshala. Had a lovely stay. This atmosphere is just to die for. The sun is out now. It was not seen since the last couple of days. But the atmosphere is wonderful wherever and however the weather may be. We went to McLeodganj, we went to Nadi, and yeah, all in all a wonderful stay. This આ પ્રોપર્ટી પણ બહુ સરસ છે. એનું નામ આદિવાહા છે એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી પીસફુલ ક્વાયટ. એક હિલ પર છે અને ધ વ્યૂ ઇઝ બ્યુટિફુલ. જો કે વ્યૂ તો બધી જ જગ્યાએથી એટલું બધું બ્યુટિફુલ છે કે તમે કોઈ પણ એરિયામાં જાઓ, યુ વિલ ગેટ ટુ સી ધ હિલ્સ, યુ વિલ ગેટ ટુ સી ધ માઉન્ટેન રેન્જીસ, યુ વિલ ગેટ ટુ સી ધ the houses on the hills and the mountains. Just see how pretty it is. See the snow on the mountains? And the clouds, they form such beautiful patterns. I think they all tell a story of their own. And I try to just sit in one place, have a cup of coffee, and try to analyze the patterns of the clouds. I think there is a story showing a dog up there. The dog is calling me. Funny, but yeah, that's how it is. That's how you feel. You feel childish. You feel, you just feel all the emotions all together when you're in such a beautiful place. Wow, that one mountain has a lot of snow. That one side of this. Nice. These guys have amazing breakfast also. I can literally feel the khushbu in the winds because who restaurant me nazik jai rahi chu. See the happy flowers? Don't they make you happy when you look at them? આજે સૂરજ અહીંયા રહેવો જોઈએ. Okay guys, let's go to the other destination. Hi, another beautiful monastery. You can see how beautiful this place looks. Very happy, and this yellow building against the dark mountains and the blue skies. The sun is out. It's really, really peaceful and pretty here. This is the Karmapa Kyoto Tantric University. So this place is particularly popular because it teaches tantric art, and the monks here learn black magic and use it for the wellness of the people. It's a huge place. The monks stay around here, so I can see their quarters. and I can see some time back I saw monks working out over there in the garden, and I saw these little monk children running around over here. Let's take a look at this place. It looks really, really interesting. Isn't it beautiful? એટલું બધું સરસ છે, એટલે સુંદર છે. I'm going up now. Wow, this view is breathtaking. એટલું બધું સરસ દેખાય છે અહીંયાથી. Wonderful. I like this yellow color. It's nice and happy and bright. I think something to do because it's a Tantric university. I'll try and find out. Excuse me, can we talk a bit about this place? So, what's your name?
Losa. Losa. Losa.
Lawsa.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to talk to Lawsa about this place. What Lawsa explained to me was that children come here from a very young age and they learn to use their tantric education for the good of the people. You're on duty here. Okay. So he also teaches in the school and he's on duty right now outside the temple. Okay, thank you.
Just see, I'm feeling all spiritual and peaceful and calm. It is so serene, so peaceful. The energy is so positive. Oh my God. I must visit.
અહીંયા આવીને મને એક એવી પોઝિટિવ એનર્જી ફીલ થાય છે. The vibrations, the energy, this whole atmosphere is totally charged. I can now understand the meaning of this Tantric University. I'm sure it does a lot of work for the good of the people. See the view. So here we are at another monastery. I see a water body. I see 2 gates. One gate has got the wheel on it. 2 wheels on it rather. And I think the main entry gate this is looks really pretty. It's all gold and maroon and blue. Oh, nice. Another crowded place. यहाँ एंट्रेंस पर ही आप एक नॉमिनल फी भर के एक गाइड को ले सकते हैं जो आपको ये जगह अच्छी तरह से दिखा सकेगा. इस जगह के बारे में इतना सुना है तो चलो देखते हैं और अच्छी तरह से समझते हैं कि यहाँ होता क्या है. Heard a great deal about their vocational heritage, arts and crafts program. तो चलिए जाकर इसे फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं.
First they have to get entrance exam. They have to know a little bit about woodwork. They can come here and observe. First they have to get a finished course.
Okay, this is what they've already made. Beautiful. अच्छा, जो कार्विंग बन जाता है वो यहाँ पेंट होने को आता है. ओके, सो दैट इज नॉट द फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट. Religious like these.
These are religious but not Thamba.
Okay.
This is Thamba painting apprentice room. So
Okay.
the told Thamba painters was they arrived here and then they trained here for 3 years.
Again 3 years.
Yeah, it's a different sections.
There's something made here. What are the paints they use? Watercolors or house?
So this is the 4th one. It's Thamba apprentice studio.
Okay.
So we have seen Thamba painting, right? The image is same. Way we make the Thamba is different. It is fabric and there are a lot of embroideries on the fabric.
Okay, so after the color they put the embroidery?
No, we have different colors of fabric and then we do the embroidery on top.
Okay, but not on the painting ones. The
No, no.
paintings are different
Different.
and the embroidered ones are different.
Different, yeah. We do the tracing on the fabric. and
Ah,
then-
okay. Okay. This is applique plus embroidery. Yeah, that's so pretty. So that is applique plus embroidery, both done together. Which is called the Tanga applique work. આ બે ભાગમાં બનેલું છે મેટલ શીટ્સ છે ત્યાં જેમાંથી બન્યું છે આગળનું અડધું એક પાર્ટમાંથી and the back from another part. The ears are attached separate and this is one of the examples of the metal sculpture.
Then start beating them using scissors.
ये ट्रेनी है जो ये प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं ये शीट है एंड इसको वैक्स के अंदर रखा जाता है, उसमें डिज़ाइन बनाया जाता है और फिर उसके औजार से काम करते हैं और ये एम्बॉस्ड इफेक्ट लेकर आते हैं. ये इनके 8 सिंबल्स हैं जो ऑस्पिशियस सिंबल्स हैं इनके टिबेटन कल्चर के एंड ये खास वो कहीं भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो दे कैन पुट इट ऑन डोर्स, दे कैन पुट इट इन एनी ऑफ द आर्किटेक्चरल पीसेस, दे कैन पुट इट ऑन शो पीसेस, कहीं भी यूज़ करते हैं. बट ये गुड लक का सिंबल है तो ये पीसेस साथ में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, छुट्टे अकेले भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. He is the main person who handles everything.
He handles the metal sculptures. So they can come here, entrance exam, and then only few will be selected.
Lunch time, let's go. So we saw a sign outside saying get surprised. And yes, I am surprised. This is pretty. What's this fruit? Oh my god, that was surprising. Let's head in, I'm hungry. So we are at the Divine Hema restaurant. It's a multi-cuisine restaurant. It's got so many interesting elements. The entry was really interesting. And let's see what they have. They've got nice wooden benches. It's something like you would sit on in a park. And they've got pickles. Pickles for sale. Again, very interesting. Let's see what they've written here. Eat your food as medicine, otherwise you have to eat medicine for your food. That looks like their special menu. And okay, they have another place down. Yeah, so let's try. After this delicious meal, I'm headed to Amritsar. હવે ચાલ્યા અમે લોકો નાઇટ વિઝિટ ગોલ્ડન ટેમ્પલ પર સો આઈ બિલીવ કે ત્યાંની લાઇટ્સ એન્ડ ધ હોલ ઇફેક્ટ એટ નાઇટ ઇઝ બ્રિલિયન્ટ ગોલ્ડન ટેમ્પલ ઇઝ ઓલ લિટ અપ અને એટલું બધું સુંદર લાગે છે આઈ એમ જસ્ટ વેઇટિંગ ટુ સી ઇટ આઈ બીન હિયર બિફોર વન્સ બટ આઈ હેવ નોટ સીન ધ ગોલ્ડન ટેમ્પલ એટ નાઇટ સો આઈ એમ ગોઈંગ દેર રાઇટ નાઉ
सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भो निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुरु प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच सोचे सोच न हो वही जे सोची लखवा चुपे चुप न हो वही जे लाई रहा लिवता भुखिया भुख ना उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सह सियाण पालक होए ताइक न चलना किव सचिया रहुए किव कूड़े टुटे पा हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया।
मैं अमृतसर में हूँ गोल्डन टेम्पल पे हूँ जस्ट दर्शन करके बाहर निकली हूँ आई स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी अमृतसर से ही शुरू किया पर मुझे आगे जाना था क्योंकि मेरे बुकिंग्स थे सो आई डिड द हिमाचल प्रदेश जर्नी एंड आई कम बैक एक्चुअली मेरे पास ऑप्शन था मैं चंडीगढ़ से भी वापस जा सकती थी पर आई वॉन्टेड टू कम बैक टू अमृतसर एंड टेक द ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम द गोल्डन टेम्पल सो हियर आई एम feeling blessed, feeling peaceful, feeling content. I want your blessings too and your good wishes because ये मेरा travel log अभी शुरू हो रहा है. So stay with me, one step at a time. I've had great fun doing this show and I hope you've enjoyed it as well. Please do comment, like and share these videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because I'll be back soon with a new destination and another adventure.